Oh, hey, what's up, y'all? Man, this is fascinating. Did you know? Rock salt, sodium chloride, commonly used to melt ice on sidewalks and entryways at commercial properties like strip malls, restaurants, banks, storefronts, homeowners' driveways. It causes significant long term damage to concrete. It accelerates deterioration through the freeze and thaw cycles. Salt melts into an icy salt water that seeps into porous concrete. When it refreezes, the expanding ice creates internal pressure, leading to cracks, pitting, flaking, known as spalling or scaling, and surface crumbling. Chemical reactions. Salt forms expansive crystals like calcium oxychloroaluminate. Say that 3 times fast. Inside the concrete, causing further cracking and weakening the material. It also corrodes any embedded steel reinforcement, worsening the structural issues over time. The result? It's unsightly, pitted, cracked, and crumbling sidewalks that create trip hazards, reduce curb appeal, and require expensive repairs or replacement much sooner than normal because of the wear. Nationally, road salt and de-icers contribute to billions in infrastructure damage annually, around $5 billion in the U.S. per the EPA estimates. And with sidewalks, commercial walkways seeing accelerated pitting and scaling from repeated winter applications. Well, what can we do about that? Well, that's where we come in. Call B2 Clean Pressure Washing. Not only can we wash all of that salt off of your sidewalks, driveways, entranceways, storefronts, to preserve that concrete and get that away from, just like you wash your car after the snowstorms, to get all that corrosive salt off of your vehicle. We do the same for your concrete. And we also offer expansion joint sealing, and we can seal the concrete, actually, where these salts and corrosions during these winter storms won't seep down into the concrete and have these chemical reactions that we just read about. So call B2 Clean Pressure Washing today, and it's much cheaper to clean that concrete and take care of it than it is to call the concrete man next year. Call B2 Clean Pressure Washing today.